Good evening. I should introduce myself. My name is Amish Amish, and at all times I try to remain the calmish. You should try the same, and even get that right if you can. Well, here I am in Japan because my former leader, he wanted to shave off my beard. Can you believe that? So I said to him, up yours, pally. And here I am in Japan. Now, I'm not trying to say that his asshole is a portal to Japan. And I wouldn't recommend going there at all, because the last time I saw it in the showers, it had more clinkers than a Northern Ireland bonfire. Anyway, here I am in Japan, and I'm looking for new people to join my cult, and it's very easy to join. I don't want any of your money, believe it or not. All I'm asking for is you click on the button called subscribe. That's it, down there. I'm not going to give you any more flashing lights or pointers. Just press on that button there, subscribe, right? And you can join this cult. It costs you no money whatsoever. And all the viewing's free. So just click, join, subscribe and like. That's all I'm asking. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.